Hello everyone, my name is Ashley with Aria Entertainment, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a TRS diagram on draw.io. This is available for Windows, and I'm not sure if it's available for Mac, however. So first I start off with a triangle to represent our tip, and then I select a rectangle to represent our sleeve. Now, right now what we have is a TS, or a tip sleeve, and that is also known as an instrument cable. It is unbalanced. What we want is a balanced cable with a tip, a ring, and a sleeve. So right there I decided to select another rectangle for the casing. So then another rectangle for our ring, and another rectangle for the bottom of the ring, and now we have a TRS, and I'm just going to color them so that we can know exactly, how it's supposed to look like. And I'm just coloring the casing black here, as you can see. And then the two rings are going to be colored black as well. Now, a TRS, it was made in 1887 as a phone connector. So the old images you see of phone operators, that is mainly what they were used for. And with the rise of audio equipment and radio, they became used for headphones and bell receivers. Well, bell receivers are those, if you see the old cartoons or TV shows, they have this, they're talking into a speaker and then have one cone held up to their head, to their ear. That is a bell receiver. So, they were used widely for that specific reason until we got the TRS 3.5 millimeter or the 1/8 inch. And they became known as our, go-to, basically, for audio. So here I am labeling the tip, as you can see. I'm just creating arrows so that everything can be well denoted. And this was actually just a software that I ran across on the App Store. It wasn't anything big. It's free. You can make a ton of different diagrams for absolutely any need that you have. So right here, I already labeled the ring, as you can see, in between the two black lines. And then the final arrow will be denoting the sleeve. I'm just raising the text here. Okay, and now I am going to select more rectangles, and I'm going to color code these gray as well so that you can know that they are part of the structure of the connector and not the casing. So I'm just going to rotate them and apply them as necessary. Make that a little smaller and the casing a little bigger just so that it can all match up. It's a little hard to use when the items are small and the lines don't correspond to what you want. But overall, this app is a very good app if you're starting off in your diagram making process. So I've learned a lot just from using this. I think this is the second day that I've used this. And it's a very, very good app. So if you have Windows, I suggest, you go for it. So here I'm drawing the last line for our connector. Just making sure that everything is even and spaced out properly. Now we're finishing the last connector. And this is how it actually looks like. If you were to unscrew the casing on a TRS, this is how you would see it. You would see the tip, which is the smallest. Then you have the ring, which is the middle one. And then you have the ground or the sleeve, which is the longest one, and it also has sort of like a hook or a curved hook at the end. And this is where you secure the cable as well. So I'm just writing out that, as I explained, the tip, which is also the left channel or the positive channel. Now I am making an arrow to show the ring. Just making this word a little bigger. So it's the ring, and it is also the right channel or the negative. And then I'm making an arrow towards the sleeve or the ground and writing that out and making sure that the text is readable. So there you have it. It's a TRS tip ring sleeve. It's very simple. Next video, I can show you the XLR. Thank you.